I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Shamba. I want to give you a tour of our compound in the village, so come with me. So come.
I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine.
This is from outside. When you come, this is the first thing you get to see. Twende. Now this is the first gate. You open this gate and then you close like this. You get to the compound. And then onto this side, this is just a space where people can chill. Yeah, this is part of the compound. And then coming to this side, you get to see the second gate. Karibu. Haya, wacha nifunge. Ni knock unifungulie. Karibuni. Asante. So, this is the second gate. And coming to this side, this is where the house is. Yeah, so we are going to show you the outside part of it, but the inside we shall see.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day.
So when you come, this is where the entrance of the house is. So this is how it looks. You have this space for chilling. This is where the entrance to the house is. And moving to this side, moving to this side, we have this tank. This is the water storage tank. And then we have this space. This is a complete construction, still ongoing. And then we have also this space where we can chill and have fun. Don't mind about my skirt, I'm from the Shamba. Yeah, now come. Coming to this side, we have also another gate which is leading to the Shamba. Yeah, and as you can see, we have also this other space. These are the harvested beans which are being prepared for storage. Yeah.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same.
Those are the toilets, some are washrooms, and then we have over this side, I don't know Naitwaji. Yeah.
As they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and.
This is where kasko ya kuweka mahindi, and then over here we have also the space, just space. Yeah.
Every day, the past is where it stays.
And then we have this side. We have, I don't know, it's just a free space. And then for those people who know the Rema, this is the Rema. Yeah. I'm being told this can be eaten as food. Cinda, in the Rema. And then this is the space where the cow shed used to be, but we no longer have the cows. That's why the shed was brought down. It was demolished to have more space for harvesting. Now guys, this is where we used to live Kitambo. Before we established, this is where everyone had a room. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Before we established, this was the house where the house was. We also have another water tank. This is where they harvest water. The rainwater is being harvested. Inawekwa hapo. Karibuni shambani. So we say This is another gate to the shamba. Come with me.
Sitaki simu ipigwe na jua.
In a record. So here we have the mboga. Show them the mboga. And then come over here and show them. We have the miwa. If you are a lover of miwa, we have miwa over here. And then this is like a small dam. The place where like maybe in a water the miwa. So we have a small dam. Come.
Our own mumias.
Kuja leta miwa. Leta utaki kuonekana. This is my nephew. He has harvested the miwa. So this is the dam. Show them the dam over here. Imagine in a water the miwa around this place. As you can see, it looks so beautiful. Now coming over to this side, we have mboga. These are the veggies. Sukuma wiki kales. Is it kales? Yeah. Now karibuni shambani. And this is the shamba.
For so long I was living my life, oh so wrong, always numb in my mind.
It was lunch break na tulikuwa tunakula miwa. Come. So now we have also mboga over this side. We overgrow. And then this is the shamba. We were here before. Tutafuta maharawe, mboga na viazi. Show them the viazi which we found na tukaachana nazo. Yeah. Tulikuwa hapa shamba. Now coming to this side bado. This is the shamba. This is the maharawe which we were harvesting. Ndio nikaamua niwapee compound tour. And welcome to the Shamba.
I've seen a lot of change.
We have the ngwase. If you are a lover of spaghetti,
Subscribe and
we have the overgrown mboga here, ngwashe,
wimbi, millet.
sorghum. Those are the sorghum, and then the trees. Pakauko.
That's
is our
our shamba.
compound tour. This is our shamba. Sorry, shamba versus compound tour. Now, from this side, let us give them a view from here. Huku chini to this side. The view, as you can see, it is so serene. Yeah, you can see we have the mboga. Me, one thing I love about this, hizi matawi za sukuma zinakaa tu vizuri. They look so good. So that is our compound tour, and I hope you have enjoyed it. See you till next time. Remember to subscribe, remember to like, remember to give this video a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Bye.
Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.